I'm Coco Shine. Here are the name meanings for the periodic table of elements, part 2.
Number 11, sodium. This name comes from an old Arabic word, suda, meaning headache, relating to a popular headache remedy they had at the time. The symbol for sodium, Na, comes from an alternate name, natron, which just means salt. Specifically, salt from the dry lake beds in the Natron Valley in Egypt, approximately here. Number 12, magnesium. This is named after a region in Greece called Magnesia, as in milk of magnesia. The region is named after the ancient Greek tribe that lived there, called the Magnetes. Themselves were named after their first king, Magnes, who, according to legend, was a son of Zeus. This is also the root for the word magnet, but there's no magnesium in magnets. Number 13, aluminum. This name comes from the mineral alum, which is super useful. You can use it to preserve food, you can use it as deodorant, to tan leather, you can use it in first aid to stop bleeding. But it's called alum because it tastes bad. The name means bitter or astringent. Also, the official name of this element is aluminium, but call it whatever you want. I'm not a cop. Number 14, silicon. This name means hard stone, and by hard stone, they meant flint. Nowadays, the only flint you probably interact with is in a lighter, but I think that's actually made of cerium. Number 15, phosphorus. This is the ancient Greek name for the planet Venus, because just like the planet Venus, phosphorus glows when hit by the right light. Most things you encounter that glow have some amount of phosphorus in it. It translates to the light bringer. Number 16, sulfur. This name means burning rock, and it's often associated with the underworld, probably because it's often found around hot geologically active areas like volcanoes or geysers. It's also called brimstone, which also means burning rock. It's the same thing. Number 17, chlorine. When the brilliant chemist Sir Humphrey Davy isolated chlorine, it looked kind of greenish yellow. So he named it after the Greek word meaning kind of greenish yellow. Number 18, argon. This element takes its name from the non-reactive nature of this noble gas. Its name means the lazy one, which is also my nickname in college. Number 19, potassium. This is named after potash, which is and was a super important agricultural fertilizer, especially before the invention of synthetic fertilizers. You burn some wood, then you take the ashes, soak them in water to dissolve some minerals. Then after you filter out the big stuff, you boil that water off, and what you're left with is potash for your crops. The symbol for potassium, K, is for kalium, which means potash. It's the same thing. Same thing. Number 20, calcium. This element is named after the Latin word for the chemical lime, as in limestone. Our word lime comes from an Old English word meaning glue or sticky substance. So lime is a key ingredient in mortar for stone buildings throughout history. In case you're wondering if this has anything to do with the fruit lime, it doesn't. That's basically just a mispronunciation of the word lemon.
Subscribe so I can apologize to the estate of Sir Humphrey Davies.